Hello everybody, it's Shawna. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a Stitch Fix unboxing. There is some crazy stuff going on out there. I hope you all are staying safe. I hope this gives you just a little reprieve from the sadness that's happening and you can enjoy a little bit of fashion, clothing, silliness in between watching the news and all the stuff on social media. So I hope you enjoy. I don't think I requested anything in particular for my box. My last one was okay, and so we'll see how they did this time. Okay, I will look at the prices in a moment. Let's see who my stylist is. It's been Alicia for ages now. Yep, and it is again. I'll read that in a moment. My return envelope and my bundle. All right. Oh, it looks really summery. Some jeans. Oh, is that white denim? What? Okay, let's take a look. I like the color so far. Okay, so the first thing looks like by Collective Concepts, and it's just a nice tank, a polyester material, but really soft. And it's got a little tie here. Little, looks like kind of keyhole front. Sleeveless. The colors are kind of pretty. We'll see how it looks on. Just a nice little tank. I think I got one like this last time, or I got it from a different service. I don't know, something similar to it. So we'll see if it stands out. This is by Verse, and I really like the colors in this. I love reds. Oh, that's fun. Just a V-neck tank. Again, it's a nice polyester. Can you say nice and polyester? No, I think it's a nicer of the polyester fabrics. And it's got some nice blues and reds and looks like a handkerchief or something. But that could be fun for summer. Try that on. And what do we have here? Oh, I love yellow. Okay. Oh, it's just a little summer dress. It's got, what color is that? Little blue and purple flowers in it with a mustardy yellow. And it looks like, let's see how the front looks real quick. Well, it looks like kind of a faux wrap, but with this kind of halter top. Okay, well, let's try that on. I think I mentioned it last time that these kind of elastic waist tend to ride up under my chest and end up looking empire or pregnancy. So we'll see if this one is the same. I also recently purchased straps like this, a shirt with straps like this, the red one. And it's really great and I can't wait to wear it when it's a little bit warmer out. But I don't know how often I'm going to be grabbing a strapless bra, and so I probably will see if this one is worth an additional grab of the strapless bra. I just tend to not do it, right? Am I right? Okay. Ooh, okay. Oh my gosh. A white denim jacket. I already have a white denim jacket that I love from Evereve, but it's really stretchy. It's Market & Spruce. I'll try it on so you guys see how it looks. I love my white denim jacket. I never thought that I would like it. It's so great for spring with bright colors, with denim, with khaki, over every dress. I am in love with my white denim jacket. So we'll try this one on, see how it fits so you guys can all see. And then the last thing are some Vigoss jeans. And these look, let's see what cut they are. They're crop straight, so that might be fun. I like a crop straight, and I want more of them. So getting away from the skinny kind of ankle and doing more of a wide leg crop, I think that is a really fun look. With tennis shoes, it looks real casual and fun, and Vigoss are always really stretchy and nice. So we'll try those on, see how they fit, and I'll be right back. All right, it's adorable, right? I think it is really cute. The jacket is amazing. If you do not have a white denim jacket, I think this is by Market & Spruce. You should get one. You will wear it way more than you think. Way more than I wear my white jeans. It's so stretchy. The arms are like a perfect length. I always find that denim arms, actually that's one thing about my Evereve. I think the arms are a little long. I think I roll them once. This is a great length, great stretch. I like where it hits on the waist. Like it doesn't feel tight in the shoulders. Like this is a really fun jacket. I'm interested to see the price compared to the Evereve one, but it's a great jacket. Okay, now let's look at the dress. So it's cute. I really like it actually. The waist goes a little high. I wish it was like a little lower, but it's cute. It really is. Let's get up close so you can see the pattern. It gaps here a little bit. I wish there was one more snap. I don't know if it would show off too much, but it could use a little snap in there, but it is still cute. How much would I reach for it? Having to put a strapless bra on for it? I don't know. It's really soft and really flowy and a great summer dress. It has it's higher on the seams than in the front and the back. It has like a little bit of a bell shape. So if that's what you like, I think the color is really fun and really cute, and I do really like it. I don't know if I'd go for it, but it's a nice dress. It makes me excited for summer for sure. Okay, let's try on the next outfit. Okay, here's the next outfit, and I don't know, I'm on the fence about it. You guys will have to let me know. I think the shirt fits well, and I like the pattern. It has a little split in the back. Here's my question. Is it a little old for me? I feel like it might be a little old for me. I don't know if it's just maybe not my style though. I don't know. I liked it, and then I was like, ooh, I don't know if it's quite me. Okay, so you have to tell me about the shirt. It's really soft and lovely though. The jeans I think fit great. I love the distressing. You can wear them uncuffed, and that's a look on its own. I'm not super brave with that look, so I tend to just do one roll, one cuff for mine, and then they look more kind of boyfriend jean, and I like that look a little bit more. I should be braver on this one, but it's great with sandals and white tennis shoes. I mean, if you wore heels, I don't. If you wear heels, you wear them with these jeans. They're really comfy and great and super, super stretchy. Let's look. What do you think? I kind of have some like it, but I really like them. And I like the Vigoss. But how cute would this outfit look with the white denim jacket too? It's not like blue denim, blue denim. It's like what? This jacket is so versatile. Okay, let me go try on the last shirt. I'll be right back. Okay, here's the last shirt, and I like the colors, and the pattern is fun. It has little strings with little, I don't know what these are, little fringes at the bottom. It's a light summery shirt. I don't know if it's my style, but I really like it. It has some neat stitching detail down the side. It would be a great light summery shirt. I don't know if I'm in love with it to keep it, but I mean, I like it. And again, how cute would it be with the white denim jacket? It's too bad I have one, or else that one is what I would absolutely be sold on. I just put it on with the jeans that they sent. But, so I think lots of really cute stuff this time, but nothing I was totally wowed by. Except for something that I already have. So let's look at the prices and see if that makes a difference and whether I decide to get something or not. I'll be right back. Okay, time to look at the prices because it matters. And before I do, I had a conversation with my sister recently asking her if she'd bought any clothes or was getting a subscription. And she said she was having a really hard time. It really bummed her out to buy clothes right now. And I didn't love anything in this box. And maybe I just didn't love it. It just wasn't a great fit this time. But maybe it's just that it's a little bit sad to, or feels wasteful to buy clothes that I know that I'm not going to be able to wear for a long time or people aren't going to see. I mean, they go in your closet, you'll wear them eventually, but it's not as fun to buy things that you are not sure when you're going to be able to wear. So I don't know if I'm bummed about clothes, but I find that I'm not as interested in it. It's like, when am I gonna wear this? When am I gonna put a strapless bra on? When am I gonna do that? And it's like, oh, okay, maybe the problem isn't the clothes, maybe it's our situation right now. So, grain of salt, we'll see what the prices say about it. Okay, so the yellow dress, what I did think was adorable, but that cut just tends to not work on me because it raises it up. And again, with the strapless bra, I'm just not sure I need that many outfits that require that. The price is $74. Am I wrong? Is it worth it? It's really soft, and I did like it, but I'm just not sure I was in love with it. $74? I don't know. Tell me what you think. Collective Concepts, Wilson tie neck, the blue shirt. What'd you think of this? 58? Was it a little old for me? It wasn't very sassy. There wasn't very many sassy things. But then I get sassy things and I'm like, when am I gonna wear sassy things? So I'm not sure people can win with us right now. It's cute, it's soft. I'd probably wear it at some point. At this point, it's just sweatpants. Okay, sorry. Moving on, 58. Okay, the red shirt, I loved the pattern. I loved how soft it was. Again, I'm not sure it was quite my style. It's 48. It's a good price. So if you liked it, this is by Verse. So the price is okay. The pattern's great. It would be a great summer shirt for lots of people. I'm just not sure it was me. The jeans, the Vigoss jeans are always about 68, around there, and that's how much these are. I think these are adorable. I have a pair very, very similar, and I just bought some Vigoss jeans that are cropped. They were skinny but cropped, but I have some wide leg that are, I think they're cut from the cloth, that are really cute. So I don't think I need these right now, but I do think they were really cute. And they were 68. And the last thing, I'm gonna tell you, ask for this in your box. Ask for it. This is by Market and Spruce, the Camila Boyfriend white denim jacket. It's 78. I spent at least that, if not more, at Every for my white one. And it's cut from the cloth as well. It's really cute, but this one, so cute. Definitely request if you don't have a white denim jacket. I loved this. So, okay, so if I got everything in my box, it would be $326. It's not bad, it's a little high. If I bought everything, I would get $81 off, minus my $20 styling fee. The total would be $224.50 for the whole box. It wasn't exactly right to this time, but maybe better luck next time. I'm also about to record a video for Wantable's Active Box. So they're snuggly and workout clothes. So check that out. I'll put a link up here and tell me what you think about that too. All right, thanks so much for watching. Again, I hope you guys are all staying safe. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe, hit the button to get notifications for whenever I post new videos. All right, thanks again. Bye-bye.